So going through the catch-up effect is the idea that poor countries can grow faster than wealthier countries and therefore catch up to the wealthier country when it comes to standard of living. So let's look at some of the variables here on this chart. So Y over L, that's the indicator of GDP over labor, which gives you your productivity. So you're seeing that the poor country starts with a much lower productivity level. Capital over L is the availability of capital per worker, and the idea is that the poor country starts off capital poor, and the rich country has starting off with a higher capital level. So let's take a look here. So we have this size investment for the poor country, creating this amount of growth. And then if you look at it, the arrow for the rich country, it's the same magnitude. So this magnitude here is the same as the rich country. So you could look at this as like one more tractor for the poor country and one more tractor for the wealthy country. When the poor country gets another tractor, their productivity increases quite a bit because they might be going from primitive methods of farming, like farming by hand or something like that, to now using a piece of mechanized equipment, which really increases productivity and causes a lot of economic growth. Here for the wealthier country, you see that the return to an additional tractor might not really be that much. The idea is that the wealthy countries are already using the advanced technology. So, you get one more tractor. It's not a huge deal on a farm because you're already using tractors. So the productivity growth isn't that large. It's like another analogy would be you go from no car to your first car. You have a huge productivity gain. That's like the poor country. The wealthy country, you go from 3 cars to a 4th car. Well, you're going to gain maybe some in productivity, but you're not going to gain as much as that poor individual or poor country would gain. So what this allows is the poor countries to grow faster and therefore catch up to wealthier countries when it comes to standard of living. If you watch the little video that I linked for the discussions,